Okay, so I just want to show you quickly how to start your homework. Now remember, when we're doing division, we want to do estimate, solve, and check. So B is for homework, so we're going to do B together. If I had to estimate this, 90 divided by 40. So we always look at the divisor. We're going to round that either up or down according to the first place value. So it's already done for us. But now I'm looking for compatible numbers. 9 or 90 is not readily divisible by 4. Now, actually, 90 can be, but I don't want to have to do divisibility. I don't want to do division to do an estimate. So we're going to look at something that's quicker for us to find. But I know if I count by my 4s, I get to 8, and 90 is close to 80. So I'm going to say 80 divided by 40. So my answer should be about 2. That's a fair estimate. All right, so now let's look at the real problem here. So it is 90 divided by 40. And when we look here, 9 cannot be divided by 40. It's not large enough. So now I'm going to look at 90. Can I take 40 out of 90? How many repeated subtractions can I make? Well, I could do 90 minus 40. That's 1 time. If I take 40 away again, that's 2 times, and I have some left over. So that's one way. It's repeated subtraction. I could also look at counting by 40s, 40, 80, 120, and I can tell that 2 of them is just below. So I'm going to now, and we've got this here, right? We want to divide. So 90 divided by 40, I think there are 2. Now we multiply. 2 times 40 gives me 80. Now I'm going to subtract. And now I'm going to compare. I'm going to look at this. Now, if this is larger than 40, I know I have to take another one out, but this is good. Now, bring down would be if there are more numbers. There aren't. This is a one-step division problem. It is done. So 90 divided by 40 is 2 with a remainder of 10, which could also be 2 and 10/40, which can also be 2 and 1/4. And we'll talk about all those other variations in a little bit. So we could have also continued this as a decimal. That being said, let's check it. How do we check it? We're going to do inverse operations. So instead of being division, we're going to multiply. And we're going to multiply these. So 40 times 2, because I said I had 2 40s, which is 80, but I had a remainder of 10. So I need to add that 10. So 80 plus 10 is 90. There it is. It checks out. All right. D was also assigned for homework, but I think that we're good there, and this could be a way to help you start out.